Which adjustable dumbbells are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right fit. Today, we're breaking down the top options that give you the flexibility and quality you need.
Product number 1, FitPlam Adjustable Dumbbell Set. The FitPlam Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Priced at just $68.39, this set caught my attention with its 5-in-1 functionality. If you're looking for a versatile solution to transform your workout routine, this is worth a serious look. This set can be used as dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, and even push-up stands, which is great if you want to maximize your space and exercises. Each dumbbell can be adjusted from 6.5 to 22.5 pounds, while the barbell can go up to 47 pounds. The double lock nut ensures safety while you're lifting, which matters because nobody wants weights slipping mid-exercise. With over 3,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear others are interested too. Now, some people have mentioned the weight adjustment can be a bit clunky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility it offers far outweighs that initial frustration. Plus, if you're starting out or want to challenge yourself as you grow stronger, this set fits the bill. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone looking to add variety to your home workouts. Skip this one if you're after professional-grade equipment, but for the price, you're getting solid value. Product number 2, FireDone DS2 Adjustable Dumbbells. The list is the FireDone DS2 Adjustable Dumbbells, retailing at $83.98. This set intrigued me because of its solid build quality and multifunctionality. If you want a reliable all-in-one package, this is definitely worth considering. Similar to the FitPlam, it offers a combination of dumbbells, kettlebells, and push-up stands. Each weight can be adjusted from 6 pounds to 22.5 pounds, so you can customize your workout as you progress. The solid iron sand construction means no shaking or rattling during your lifts, which is crucial for maintaining form. Reviewers love that it effectively prevents floor damage, a common issue with cheap weights. However, some users reported that the locking mechanism can be a bit tricky to master initially, but honestly, that's a minor hiccup when you consider how well it performs once you get used to it. If you're serious about building a home gym without sacrificing space, this is a strong contender. This is ideal for people wanting a versatile weight set that can grow with them. Skip this if you're looking for something more straightforward without the multiple functions. Product number 3, Bowflex SelectTech 840 Kettlebell. The Bowflex SelectTech 840 adjustable kettlebell delivers a unique approach. If you're a kettlebell enthusiast or want something that's super space efficient, check this out. What I love about this kettlebell is the adjustable weight feature that ranges from 8 to 40 pounds with just a twist of a dial. This means you can seamlessly switch between exercises without wasting time. It's designed to replace 6 kettlebells, which is perfect for small living spaces. Plus, it comes with a 2-month free trial of their JNY membership, offering tailored workouts. On the flip side, a few users have noted that the handle can feel a bit wider than traditional kettlebells, which might take some getting used to. But for versatility and convenience, I think this is a small price to pay. This kettlebell is perfect for anyone who wants a compact solution for a variety of exercises. Avoid it if you prefer standard fixed-weight kettlebells and don't mind the space they require.
Product number 4, PowerBlock Elite EXP Adjustable Dumbbells. The heavy hitter on the list, the PowerBlock Elite EXP Adjustable Dumbbells, priced at $399.99. If you're serious about your strength training and want a top-tier adjustable dumbbell, this one's for you. With a weight range of 5 to 50 pounds per hand, you can easily increase your load as you progress. The compact design replaces 16 pairs of dumbbells, saving you tons of space. Plus, the weighted increments are super easy to adjust, which is vital for maintaining your workout flow. Many users rave about its durability, indicating it can withstand years of use. A downside? Some folks find it a bit pricey compared to basic options. However, if you're committed to lifting and want a quality product that grows with your fitness journey, it justifies the investment. This is great for serious lifters or anyone looking to build a versatile gym setup at home. Skip this if you're just starting out or on a tight budget, since there are cheaper options available.
Product number 5, Amazon Basics Adjustable Dumbbell Set, at just $49.49. Honestly, this is an excellent option if you're just dipping your toes into strength training without breaking the bank. The set includes 2 dumbbell handles and various weight plates, allowing you to customize weights up to 38 pounds. It's straightforward to adjust, making it perfect for beginners or casual users. The included storage case is a nice touch, making it easy to store and transport. However, some users have mentioned that the quality feels a bit lower compared to pricier options, and I can see where they're coming from. But honestly, for the price, it performs well for light to moderate workouts and is ideal for newcomers. This is perfect for anyone wanting an affordable, no-frills entry into weight training. Skip this if you're looking for high-end, professional-grade equipment.
To wrap it up, we've looked at a range of adjustable dumbbells, from the FitPlam's versatile set to the specialized PowerBlock Elite EXP. Each has its strengths, tailored to different needs. Whether you want something budget-friendly or are ready to invest in serious equipment, there's a solid option for everyone here. Happy lifting!